Hello everyone. From today, I'm gonna start a new playlist that is for interview experience. In today's video, I'm gonna share Infosys Specialist Programmer interview experience. If you need interview experience for any particular company in next video, do comment for that company. I will curate and share with you guys. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement material, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you'll get all the latest hiring updates, free placement material. Previously I have shared everything in A to Z placement kit जहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा from job updates to internship updates, from contest updates will be adding soon, campus hiring tracker, startup list PYQs, interview experience is already added there, handwritten notes, how to start your coding journey, and many more resources. If you explore this, you will get everything related to placement. Not even a single thing is left. So if you find anything is missing, you can let me know in the comment section. So in today's video, I will be sharing Infosys specialist programming interview experience. Let's check. So when you visit to this site, like just search Infosys, so you will get the list of interview experience. Currently we have around 50 plus interview experience. I'm adding more, I'm asking more people to add their interview experience. If you are also there, please add, it will help the community in their interviews. Okay, so we have a 2 3 interview experience. Let's first check this one. So this one is shared by Naman Jan, student of VIT Bhopal University. Okay, and 26 batch pass out. So Infosys specialist programmer. So the first round you already know, it's that OA round where in his experience 3 DSA questions जो सॉल्व करना होता है 3 आवर्स में, जिसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन वर फोकस्ड ऑन डीपी एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन वाज बेस्ड ऑन स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है. इन इसके बाद शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के बाद फिजिकल इंटरव्यू इनका हुआ. My interview took place at Noida office where I was interviewed in a cabin along with one other candidate and single interviewer. The process began with 2 DSA questions to be solved in 40 minutes. The first question focused on binary search. So binary search question is important, but it was not a direct implementation. Rather than it tested my problem solving skills at a medium difficulty. The second question was based on dynamic programming with a medium to hard difficulty level. After the coding assessment, the next 30 minutes were dedicated to discussing the project listed on my resume. There was an in-depth 20-minute discussion about my hackathon project. So resume में आप जो भी मेंशन कर रहे हो, प्रोजेक्ट्स, अचीवमेंट्स, एनी एक्सपीरियंस, उसको आपको पूरी तरीके से एकदम मास्टर कर लेना है कि आई हैव डन दिस एंड देन दिस. कौन कौन पार्टिसिपेट किया था, मतलब अगर प्रोजेक्ट टीम प्रोजेक्ट था तो आपको अपना रोल पता होना चाहिए, आपने क्या वर्क किया था. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट योर रिज्यूमे. वॉट एवर यू आर एडिंग, यू हैव टू बी able to answer it. The interviewer asked such how I scaled the project, what challenge I faced, and my reasoning behind choosing specific technologies over others. Overall, this part of the interview emphasized by understanding my own work and decision making skills regarding project design and scalability. Okay, then here is the detailed interview experience. Like my interview process compromised of ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट देन इन पर्सन इंटरव्यू. ये ऑलरेडी एडेड है. तो की टेकवेज यही है कि वर्क ऑन योर यूनिक एंड इम्पैक्टफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स. जो भी आप प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन कर रहे हो उसको अच्छे से आपको आना चाहिए. एंड you should know SQL core subject like CS fundamental subject like operating system, oops, ये सारे आना चाहिए. और master common DSA problems. Okay, clearly explain your thought process. अगर आप solve कर रहे हो, you should to be loud, like you should be talking about how you are solving. That will help. This is the overall interview experience for SP, and you can check for other 2 1. Okay, so जाओ चेक करो, लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. अगर आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए चाहिए, किसी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी के लिए चाहिए, कमेंट करो, I'll curate. Okay, if this video was helpful, do like and subscribe for more videos like this and share your thoughts. It will motivate me to bring more videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.